We could go and watch the old video, but we just got to pour it out. Go on.
What's the results?
2.5 litres out of that compartment. We've got another 2 compartments to go.
Second compartment. Doesn't look like we got loads of oil in it.
We're at 4 litres. And it's slowing down.
Third compartment open. And you don't really need that, do you?
No, not really. Oopsie doopsie. So there is only 4 litres. Plus there's about 0.6 in the oil cooler, which is above me.
So 4.5 litres, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we need to put another 4.
It leaked on the floor, so yeah, it needs another 4 litres.
But we didn't leak 4 litres out of it, did we?
No, we've only leaked...
There was a tiny bit down there.
And a bit there. So let's say
We did put 5
half a
in that,
litre.
yeah.
So I think